Good morning, everybody. This is your Dow Jones setups for today. So, a couple of things on the go here, and this level of 39,020 or 3900 is still sort of our level we need to pay attention to. Nothing really got going yesterday. A big juicy pin bar here, off a level, off multiple levels. In actual fact, just want to get next logical one, which I think would be there. Yeah, okay, so that's our zone. We'll get to what those levels are shortly, but you can see there was a pin bar in there yesterday. Now, a pin bar's in play, but hasn't really continued. We've got a 3-hour pin bar also in play, but again, hasn't got going. So you can see entry would have been above that pin bar, stop would be below this pin bar, and stop would be around 38,920. So the zone that we are trading off at the moment is 39,020 and 38,983. So 3,900 basically is where price is fluctuating. Buyers are coming in, but the sellers are still trying to drive this down. Now, if we get down to the hour, you see big up, big down, still below the moving averages. Now we're below the 150 as well. Not really anything to indicate that we have something. So it is a bearish setup at the moment. There's no doubt about that. But a strong zone of support below us. Oscillator's not helping us at all. I'm not convinced that we have a setup here either way, to be honest. And if you drill down to the 15 minutes, we were below the moving averages, so I suppose you could argue that that was a setup for a short, that was possibly a setup for a long. But until we break some decent structure and get a trend going, I'm not really interested in jumping in on this. It's just a recipe for disaster as far as I'm concerned. So I'm sitting quietly. I don't think I want to get involved on this, not until I have a clear trend set up on either on the hour or on the 15-minute starting to brew. But if you look at this on the 8-hour, we've been a couple of weeks where we've been just all over the place, above and below the moving averages. Now we get above the moving averages. Look at my oscillators here, starting to separate, starting to turn. This is a strong move up. This still looks like a pullback for me. So I'm still anticipating a move up. Don't really want to be chasing shorts here. That's just going to burn you. But I don't see the setup for the longs at the moment, so it's probably a wise decision just to sit back and wait. Break above 39,200 and sort of find supports up there. That should be the signal we're looking for a long setup. Until then, treat this as a range. Anyway, that's kind of my view, sitting on the sides. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.